Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Mullen, ticker MULN. As we're recording this video, we're currently up 4% 10 minutes into the US Open. So what are key support and resistances that we can pay attention to? So we can see we're currently at around $20. We don't really have any longer term resistances until about 37 cents. So really, got to wait for a bit of a move here, but if we do, again, these are the strong and higher probability levels. The first time we come into it, looking to play a pullback. If it retests it, then I'm really waiting for a breakthrough. Come back to test it as a support, and if it can hold, look to play to that next deviation, which in this case would be 53 cents. Now, very far from where we are now. So really, if it's something I'm trading myself, I'm being patient. I'm waiting for these levels. But if you want something in the meantime, again, we can always go down to a shorter term time frame. So we could go down to a 20 and a 30-day chart, start to see where are these levels, what are support and resistance from this perspective. And then we can see we have one at $23 as a resistance and really a 13-cent support. So really, again, just be watching for these levels, and then it's just the first time we come into them, looking to play a pullback. If it ends up breaking through, looking for the trend. Now this is where Mullen, again, if it's something maybe you're maybe bag holding, what is the thing I would personally be watching out for? So if I was holding it myself, I'm watching this $24 level. If we can break above it, come back to test it as a support and it holds, then there is a better chance that we push to kind of 37 cents. And if I was bag holding, obviously that would reduce those losses. But really, if we start to break down to that 13 cents, just even more chance that this stock is really just poor from the long term. Probably not something I want to be in. But really, these stocks in general, and it's why I never swing trade these stocks. If I touch them, it would only ever be as a day trade unless I'm trading them through options. And the reason for that is whenever you see stocks like this, you know, $4.20 down to 18 cents, they're not cheap because people don't see the value in them. They're cheap because they're meant to be cheap. And these stocks tend to just get cheaper and cheaper. That's why I really don't like holding them. A lot of people see these stocks, you know, they're down 90, 95%, 99%. Yeah, they're cool, they're going to have to bounce. Well, they don't actually. A lot of times what ends up happening is they fall down to, you know, 10, 20 cents. They end up having to do a reverse stock split because they're going to get delisted. And then they'll go to, you know, $1 or $2 from that reverse stock split. So they're not actually worth that. And again, they'll just fall another 90, 99% or whatever it is. And it's just a common pattern you see with all these stocks. And it's why I just don't like to touch them. Because again, 9 times out of 10, they're really just worthless stocks. And they're usually heavily indebted. So, I mean, if you're looking to hold this longer term, probably a good thing you check out the financials. But again, I'm not even going to bother looking at the financials because when I see it on a chart, I already know the financials are poor. And again, it's not something I'm going to swing. If a stock's down, you know, anything really over 75%, or if it's just, that's why I don't really trade non-large caps, is there's usually a reason they've sold off that much. And it's usually not, obviously, for a good reason. Anyway, though, I guess those are the key levels on Mullen. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you're currently trading it, or you're holding it, or anything like that. And if you enjoyed the video, yeah, drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.